Okay, Tram Doctor 2026. About to pack up for Dayton. Sold a few, gave away a few, bought very little. Didn't see too much I liked out there this year, so we bought a lot of amps. I don't think we sold any amps. Sold some middle stuff, sold a few mics and some doodads, but not much. We went amp heavy, and nobody's buying amps. Had a few lowball offers on them. Brought a lot of mics. Did sell a few mics here and there. Some of my mic collection. Trying to get every aesthetic made, one of every one. I have most of them. My main man, Dr. John, 47.
Oh, hello.
All right. That's his Globe King 400. We thought we might get some a sale on it, but we had some decent offers, but nobody pulled the trigger on it. Some more amps. Bird line, dual line section. MFJ 35 amp power supply. QRO HF 2500 in the box. Very nice. I had some lowball offers on that. Dentron MLA 2500. Packed up some stuff. We packed up 4 or 5 cases already. Kenwood SM220. I actually just wanted to sell that, but we didn't get any offers on it. I brought a Browning. Didn't sell. Did bring a Tram D201 hardwired. That sold. Golden Falcon 750, I believe, is that one. Mako 300, Palomar 300A. We didn't bring much in CB, just the one table, because we know that CBs and CB amplifiers do not sell well at Dayton Hamvention. And then,
if you want one, I have one.
Coming over around.
This is a bandwidth hole.
We bought the big boy, the Alpha 77X 2-tuber with the black face. That's what we wanted for it. We got, of course, nothing on that. I'm surprised the Bird Wattmeter didn't sell. Had a lot of tire kickers and everything. We sold all the high frequency slugs. They went like candy, but we got some VHF slugs left. Those are slower sellers. Alpha 76 3-tuber and the Dentron 160L with 4572Bs. That's about it. We packed up some stuff, as we said. All these tables were full, you know, top to bottom. We started packing. The rain hit us today on Saturday, and you know, slowed it down, and that's gonna be about it for this one. Bye.